It's your day in tech history, and it's brought to you by our friends over at Expedia.com, where you can find yours with Expedia. Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here, and I welcome you to the Day in Tech History at dayintechhistory.com. It's part of the Tech Podcast Network. You can subscribe via iTunes, Zune, or Stitcher Internet Radio. Our Twitter is Day in Tech Hist, and all show notes are on the wiki page if you want to follow along. Now let's find out what happened on this day, your day in tech history. September 20th, 1940, Genevieve Grotjen completes the decryption of the Japanese Purple Code. Now, the Purple Code was a diplomatic cryptographic machine used by Japanese foreign offices just before and during World War II. The machine was an electromechanical stepping switch device. 1952, Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase publish a report confirming that DNA holds hereditary data. 1954, the first program written in Fortran programming language is run. Of course, Fortran stands for Formula Translator. 1984, Data General introduces the Data General 1 personal system portable computer. It featured MS-DOS, CPM86, Unix, 128 kilobits of RAM, and a floppy drive. It was the first portable computer with a full-sized LCD display and cost $2,895. It did weigh 10 pounds. 1988, Apple Computer and Quantum Computer Services announce Apple Link, which is a graphical online service for Apple computer users. 1989, Apple Computer releases version 6.0.4 of the System 6 operating system for Macintosh 2 CI and Macintosh portables. And Apple also unveiled the Macintosh Portable, which featured a 16 MHz Motorola 68000 CMOS processor, 1 megabyte of RAM, 40 megabyte hard drive, 3.5-inch floppy drive, 1.4 megabyte floppy drive, a keyboard, trackball, and a lot more for $6,500, and that weighed 17 pounds. 1995, AT&T announces that it will be splitting into 3 companies over the next 15 months. The 3 companies would be AT&T, which provide the communication services, Lucent Technologies, a systems and technology company that would manufacture telecommunications products, and the NCR Corporation, which of course will do financial, retail, and cash register systems. Also, 1995 version 2.0 of the Red Hat Linux operating system is released. And in 1999, a couple things from Microsoft. They announced plans to discontinue the modem BBS option within Live Update starting Wednesday, December 1st of 1999. Microsoft also announced an alliance with a network of electronic commerce internet websites to create an auction site to compete with eBay. According to Scott Randall, founder and CEO of Fair Market, the firm that created the alliance, the new auction system would function like a virtual warehouse for almost 100 sites that would link their own auctions. And also in 1999, Walmart stores reveal plans to open computer repair centers in 10 of its stores under a lease agreement with Computer Doctor, a franchisor and owner of 38 stores in the United States. The stores, by the way, would generate almost $10 million in sales annually. And now this word from our friends over at Expedia. Las Vegas, Jamaica, San Francisco, China, New York, Portland, Florida. Have you been? Maybe you're from there and you need to start planning your trip home for the holidays. Now is the time to do that. With rates at their lowest for November and December, you can get great deals in planning your trip. That's where Expedia comes in, from air travel, hotels, cars, and full vacation packages. Because who doesn't want to be in a warm city during the coldest of winters? You can also earn Expedia points so you can use them on more trips all around the world. Get $25 off your first hotel booking at Expedia. Go over to geekazine.com/Expedia for more details. Over at Expedia, find yours. Now let's get back into your day in tech history. Back in 2002, Microsoft buys the British game developer Rare for $375 million. 2004, the BBC reports that more than 30,000 computers a day were being recruited as botnets that spread spam and virus. So basically, you would get a program on your computer, and as your computer was dormant or lay idle, it would actually kick in and become a botnet. 2005, with the release of Opera 8.5, Opera Software announced that a full-feature version of the Opera browser would be available free of charge without advertisements. 2006, version 2.9.0 of the PHP MyAdmin, a tool written in PHP, is released. 2008, a helium leak forces the Large Hadron Collider to shut down for 2 months. And in 2010, a group of senators want a law to allow the DOJ to shut down sites that were believed to contain blatant piracy issues, even outside the country. And that's your Day in Tech History. My name is Jeffrey Powers, www.dayintechhistory.com. All the show notes are over at wikizine.com, Geekazine's wiki. And of course, you can like the Facebook page and follow Twitter at Day in Tech Hist. Until tomorrow, take care. Day in Tech History is copyright 2014 JMP Enterprise and Geekazine.com.